I gotta see what's in here. So this is a good layout whenever you come in. A fold-out bed, table with 4 chairs, and then an area where you can like cook, like a little kitchen. And then if you walk in here, you will see a bed. This is the regular first level bed. It's a queen size bed, and then if you come through here, there's towel, and you can see the layout of here. It's not that big though. And then come in here, a bed that is like a bunk bed, but go up the stairs. You want me to do it here? Up the stairs. Into this looks like a queen size bed, but it's a king size bed. So we're getting ready to go to the water park. We're getting on our golf cart and we're about to go to the water park and have some fun.
Oh.
Yes, ma'am. Say that's Southern man. Okay, so now we're here at the water park. Let's go.
Yeah!
Kitty section. I'm going to show y'all right now the kitty section. Okay, that's a very wet one, I can tell you. And I guess now we're going to do the lazy river.
What's this you're getting in?
The lazy river. Feels like a hot lazy river.
What are you going to do next?
Probably those big slides if my mama will let me.
Oh, no.
Yes!
Oh, no.
Yes!
No.
Yes! It's fun. It's very fast. Which is cool.
How was it? Where are you at now?
The arcade. It's day 2. We're going to do mini golf before it gets too hot. Let's go. This is color blue. I'm going to be doing those over there today. I did those yesterday because it just says pretty. I'm about to go. What? That was a good one too. And now I got to go to the baby one. And then this is the mini bowling alley. Come on, this is gonna be fun. So the score, so this is the right. You need to throw it a little from the left towards the right.
Okay. Hit it.
Great! We are at the new pool! This is a Sun Outdoors brand new to the RV area. That's great! But this is